Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, and today is going to be a review of the Soundcore Live P3 true wireless earbuds. First off, let me give a huge shout out to everybody who got me to 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I really like doing this YouTube thing. Now, as far as the price, they are back to their original price, which is $79.99. They were $67 last week, but now they're back to $79.99, 99 cents. They come in black, coral red, navy blue, oat white, and sky blue. Now, as far as the features go, you have stereo mono mode, IPX5, water resistant, wireless charging, 11 millimeter dynamic drivers, get 35 hours of total playtime. You get a game mode, Bluetooth 5.0 with SBC and AA support, customizable EQ through the app, bass up technology, multi-mode noise cancellation, and 6 mics with clear voice capture 8.0 technology. Let me do a quick little unboxing right quick. Now, me personally, I didn't buy these earbuds. These were sent to me by my brother from another mother, El Jefe Reviews. You gotta love the guy. But I also hate him because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have bought the one more stylish. I wouldn't have bought the Edifier TWS1 Pro or the one more color buds, the Earfront Free 2, the Soundpeach Sonics, and last but not least, my personal favorite, the Jabra Elite 75T. I love him and I hate him, but I really like that he sent these out to me. Now, it's a small case, very compact, fits good in the pocket. The earbud shape, they are a stem style design, reminiscent of the AirPods Pro. And as you can see on the case, you have left and right branding. You got the charging pins. You have a reset button. And you press that. You got LED status indicator lights on the front. You got 3. Flip it over on the back. You got the USB Type-C port. And as far as what else is inside the box, you get multiple set of ear tips. So you got small, well, extra large, extra medium large, small, extra small. And here are the mediums in the box that came on them. As you can see right here, I got spin fits. The light blue version, these are the large that fit me best. You also get the USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. And you take this out, you also get a lot of paperwork. Now, personally, I didn't look at this. You get the quick start guide. And I don't know what this is. Oh, this is basically some contact information so you can get in touch with Soundcore. And you get a really big, fat, let me take this off. You also get, is this a, I thought this was a user manual. No, it's not a user manual. It's just a bunch of warranty stuff in different languages. So that's all that comes inside the box. I'll go ahead and move that out the way. And we're gonna talk a little bit more about the features, because these have a lot more features than I just mentioned. So I'm gonna pull out my Nord EPT phone. I'm gonna unlock it. Fingerprint sensor never works right. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna go inside the Soundcore app. I got these earbuds paired up to my phone. Now, here's the Live P3. As you can see, you got the left and right earbud battery indicators right there. you also have ANC. You tap on that, you get, this is the multi-mode noise canceling. Now right now they got noise canceling is on, and you got transparent, you got indoor, and you got outdoor. So you have different modes for where you're traveling, and then you have indoor to cut out voices, and then you have outdoor to reduce the ambient sound. Go to transparency mode. You can go fully transparent, which pretty much opens up the earbuds from the mics. You can pretty much hear everything that's around you, or you can go vocal mode where you can just focus on voices, and then you can turn it off. Now, these have a gaming mode on them. I don't use gaming mode that often. I feel like that's more of a detriment than a benefit when it comes to Bluetooth earbuds. So I don't use that often. You also get, this is a cool feature that you get with Soundcore's app. You get a tip fit. So basically this is the same thing as like the AirPods Pro when you first get them and you put them in your ears. It's basically to make sure you have a good seal. Good seal creates good audio quality and it gives you good bass. So you got the earbuds in position. Let me show you how it works. So you tap on that. Now, it's using the mics to see if you're in a quiet environment, but it hears me talking, so now I'm gonna be quiet for a minute. So it's doing the test right now. It says don't talk, walk around and move the earbuds from your ears. And once the test is done, there. That means you got a good seal. Another thing these have is an equalizer. Now you can customize it and you get like, 8-band. You can go up or down. Or I just go by the default. I just use the default. That is the Soundcore signature, and you have the bass up. What that does is when you turn that on, it gives you big thumping bass. Like it is crazy. It turns it off. It's just punchy bass. You turn it on, that's bass you can feel more than you can hear. And you also get controls. So you get a single tap, you get a double tap, and you get a hold for 2 seconds. And you can customize these any way you want on the left or the right earbud. I really wish that Soundcore would give us a triple tap, but this is good enough. I mean, I like being able to customize it, and you can also reset it and you can change it to anything you want to. Another cool thing is they have some ASMR feature where you can listen to like different like nature sounds. Like you can listen to rain. So you just move that to the middle. You can make it as low or as loud as you want. Press play. You hear rain. You also got birds chirping. I don't know why you would want to sleep to birds, but okay. You also have wind, and that's not gonna put me to sleep. You got wind chimes, and that's little wind chimes. You see, what is this? Water. Why would you want to listen to water while you sleep? I'd be thinking about drowning. You also got, what is this? Raindrop? Yeah, this doesn't sound comfortable. And then this is the weirdest one I've seen. A train noise. Like, oof. Why would you want to sleep to a train? And then this is my personal favorite. I can sleep to that. I can sleep to a fan blowing. I can't sleep without a fan. And you also got, what is this, a barn? Growing up in the South, I would always hear roosters crowing and ducks, and yeah, that ain't gonna put me to sleep. You also got a clock. Is that a clock, like ticking? Let me see. Yep. That is annoying as hell. I can't sleep in that. Yeah, and also this is my other personal favorite. It's nature sounds. I like that. Yeah, what that is a crackling fire and some cicadas. I can sleep to that. So yeah, the app, you get the whole kit and caboodle with these things. Now, went over the controls, went over the fit and design. Let's go over to battery life. The battery is pretty good too. You get 7 hours on a single charge. You get 28 additional charges with the case. So that's 35 total hours of playtime. Case will give you about 3 to 4 recharges. Another thing these have is wireless charging. So let me get out my Anchor charger. Convenient. There you go. You got wireless charging. Now, wireless charging up the buds, that'll take about 2 hours. Wired charging will take about 90 minutes. And 10 minutes of quick charge will give you 2 hours of playtime. So not bad. Like, all of that for, less than $100. You can't beat that. And they fit good in the ear. The touch controls are very responsive. This, FYI, if you're going to be using the touch controls, if you want to get that muscle memory, kind of go up some. Try and hit the Soundcore logo right there. I always hit that. It works every time. Now, the sound quality. Woo! The sound, bruh. Oh my goodness. It's good. I mean, I just reviewed the Liberty Air 2. It's the same, but that bass up technology, that's kind of like cheating. But you got like 11 millimeter, composite dynamic drivers inside. That works with everything, especially with rock, rap, R&B. I was listening to I got rid of Pandora and I went back to Tidal, and I was listening to Drake's new album with the bass up turned on. Everything sounded good. I turned it off. Pretty much sounds, you got good bass when you turn it off. There's a new album by this guy from UK, Tom Misk. He does he's guitarist. He's kind of like a British version of John Mayer. That sounded really good with the bass up on and with bass up off. And also, whenever you switch between ANC and ambient mode, you'll be happy to know the EQ doesn't shift. Usually when you cycle between ambient mode, hear through mode, social mode, whatever you want to call it, or active noise cancellation, the music can get either warmer and darker, or it could go to like a bright and airy, depending on which you switch back to. No problems there. So comparison, I would have to say these are definitely an upgrade from the Liberty Air 2 Pro. So one thing I forgot to mention in that review is that the earbuds, they have this weird connection issue where you'll see 2 Liberty Air 2 Pros in your Bluetooth settings. So it'll say like Liberty Air 2 and then Liberty Air 2 - left. And basically what that means is the buds don't have an independent Bluetooth connection. They're kind of paired to each other like Siamese twins. With these, each one has its own own type of like signal. So you put the left one in there and you close the lid and you just listen with the right. There won't be like any type of disruption, which I like that. That's some good technology. And like I said, for less than $100. So in conclusion, gracias, hermano, El Jefe. Thank you for sending these out to me. These are good. Like, even if he didn't send these out to me, I still would have paid like $80 for them. I didn't even care. Soundcore is legit. You want good sound quality at an affordable price with the whole kit and caboodle, you can get these. Soundcore Live P3 are amazing. A lot better than the Liberty Air 2 Pro because you're getting, better sound quality, good sound stage, great features, wireless charging. I mean, wow, man, you're getting a lot. You're getting a lot for less. I always like looking for earbuds that give me more features for less money. So that's it. It's the end of the video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and come back, and thank you for watching. Be sure to